Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the blades on this Phillips Norelco rotary shaver. And really, you don't need any tools. All you'll need are the new blades, and this has a little brush on it to help you clean it out a little bit. I got this on Amazon. I think it was around $14. Really, that's all you need. Okay, now to find out which blade number you need to get or what model number you have on your shaver, you may have to look around this area or some other area, but just look around your shaver. But I found the number that I needed to order my blades. It was this number right here. But again, you might have to look somewhere else on your shaver to find it. I'll give you a screenshot of the numbers here, but that should give you an idea as to where to look for the numbers. Now to change the blades, it's really pretty simple. There's a little button you press right here. This will release the top. Now you'll want to turn it over so when you take it off, this is what you see. You'll then go ahead and remove this part right here. You'll then need to remove the blades. Go ahead and open these up. And you kind of want, here's the brush to kind of clean it out. And then here are the new blades. So really all you need to do next is just go ahead, and you can see these will also come apart, and they're easy to put back in. You then need to remove the old blades. I'll probably just keep them around in case I need them at some other time. So you just remove those three. And then you just go ahead and put in the new blades. You just drop them in. And just kind of straighten them out. Then the last thing you need to do is put this back in, and it just goes the way you took it out. There you go, that looks good. And then the last thing you need to do is just press the button, and you'll notice that there's a groove here. You'll want that to go where the button is. Just go ahead and press the button, slide it back on, and then just make sure that it clicks. You can feel that it's nice and secure. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn it on, and then you should be able to feel it with each blade. Feel the blades rotating, and I can feel that as I press them. You then want to go give it a try, make sure everything's working well. And you'll notice how these move around. It's got a little spring on it. If your blade's not doing that, or your blades are not doing that, you need to take this out and clean it up. But that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.